In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a page number in Canva. If you're building a multi-page presentation, workbook, or ebook, adding page numbers makes it easier for readers to follow along and reference sections quickly. The great news is, Canva has a built-in, dynamic way to do this, so you don't have to type numbers manually on every page. Start by opening your multi-page design in Canva. This could be any document with more than one page. Just make sure the project you want to number is open on your screen. Now, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click Text. This panel is where Canva organizes all your text tools. Inside the Text panel, scroll down until you see the section labeled Dynamic Text. Dynamic text is special because it updates automatically based on your document's content. Click Page Numbers, and Canva will drop a page number element onto your design. Next, choose the format that fits your project. If you want something simple and clean, go with numbers only. This gives you a straightforward page count without extra characters, which works well for most layouts and keeps the focus on your content. With the number added, it's time to place it. Click and drag the small number box to where you want it to live. Many people prefer the bottom right corner for a traditional look, or the bottom center for a more balanced, professional feel. As you move it, pay attention to Canva's alignment guides. They'll help you snap the number into a consistent position. Leave a little breathing room from the edges so the number doesn't sit too close to the margin, especially if you're planning to print. If your design already has a footer area, tuck the number neatly into that space for a cohesive finish. Here's the best part. Once the page number is placed, Canva automatically applies the correct number to every page in your document. You'll notice the sequence update as you move through your pages. Because it's dynamic, if you add, reorder, or delete pages later, the numbering will adjust on its own, saving you time and preventing errors. That's all it takes. Open your multi-page design, head to Text, select Page Numbers under Dynamic Text, choose your preferred format, and position the number where you want it. From there, Canva takes care of the rest, giving you clean, consistent page numbers across your entire project.